HVAC people!
Alright, I think we got a little leak problem here. Alright. Alright, so we got 2 units. Oh yeah. See, that's pretty bad there. Got a lot of rust in here. See that dripping pretty good there. Must be the upstairs. Right over this flue pipe, I can't see inside. So I'm gonna take some pictures. The homeowner, they don't want to come up here and try to explain with them what I see and what I need to find out. Probably hook some pressures up. See if this drain line stopped up. Looks like it goes right here. Probably go into a sink down there. All right, so I just want to kind of hook up. These days, the upstairs and the downstairs, like I said, these days you don't really know which one, the small unit or the big unit. I can't read the name tag on this one. I can on this one, which is a 4.8, which is a 4-ton. That kind of got me thinking this the upstairs unit, but I thought this was a smaller one. So this may be the upstairs right here, the smaller one. And they got the 4-ton for upstairs. But I'm just gonna check the suction pressure on both of them. Like I said, I always checking this pressure, so I'm gonna hook my discharge line up to this one just to check the pressure. Which I got 133, which is good. So I'm just checking the pressure to rule out that we're not real low on refrigerant. I'm gonna check the suction pressure on this one. And this one's is 120, this one is 133. So we know 410A, as long as it's above 100 PSI on the suction, it's above freezing. So that's just a real quick test I'm gonna rule out. So I'm gonna blame this one either on a drain line or a cracked drain pan or something. So I'm gonna go up there and vacuum out the emergency drain pan and try to flush out the primary drain pan, because I'm thinking we just got a clog right now. All right. So like I say, we both above freezing on both of these units, upstairs and downstairs. All right. I can't believe that. I got another hard pipe. Man. I don't know why these plumbers do me like that. I was gonna start down here. See, they don't leave us no room to work with. If I cut this right here, I can't get my my tool to suck it out or nothing. Man. Well, look what they be doing to me. I can't cut it back on. Can't cut it up there. You see, if I cut it right here, I can't put a coupling back on there. Boy, they be killing me, man. They be killing me, man. All right, so on this one right here, I'm gonna try to probably flush it out with nitrogen and see what I can get out with my vacuum. I'm just gonna have to pour water down there in that tea and hope that it's drained. If it don't drain, really gonna have to just figure out what I can do. I think I'll probably just go ahead and cut it right here too and get my nitrogen, flush it that way. Put a union right here and see what that can do. So I already recommend, I'm gonna probably come back next week. We're gonna replace this drain pan. We're gonna put a flow switch on this one and put a flow switch on that one, and do a maintenance on it also. But for right now, I'm just gonna try to get this unclogged. This can be my cap. I wish I bought a cap. Alright, so when I first got here, it was leaking from that secondary right there. So it already stopped leaking from the secondary, so we know that was stopped up. But I still got a suspicion this stopped up. Hopefully it's not stopped up down there by that trap, but I'm gonna get some nitrogen and try to flush it out and pour some water up in here and hopefully that solves my problem. All right, see homeowners right here? It's that 12 gauge here. You got a technician with a little gallo gun with them little CO2 nitrogen cartridges or whatever. CO2 cartridges. Tell them leave immediately. Tell them, ask them what a 12 gauge is. You know, you can blow harder than what they using that little CO2 cartridge thing for. Tell me, might well just get his lips, put his lips on there and blow on the pipe, like my granddaddy used to do back in the day when he trying to clear a plumbing pipe or something. Yeah, you gotta come with some. Put a little cap over here for right now. We're gonna flush this out the best way we can. Like I said, hopefully that'll get it through. Like I said, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna put some water in here though, and but this probably gonna get it. I got a video a couple days ago with a bunch of rock sediments just over the years that done built up down here, and I don't think this house done the maintenance either. So I hope it's not that bad. But I did just fill some water up in the sink down there. Fill the sink up and it drained pretty good. So I don't think the trap is clogged up down there. So let's see what we got. See that there? Wipe your face. Wipe your eyes out. See that? That's called pressure right there. CO2 parts can't do that. Whatever in there is out now. So we're gonna pour water down in there and make sure it's draining. Flush it back out this way also. I put me a little cap on this T. But you'll know we may get a little dirt on the coil, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Yeah. But we know it's not stopped up back that way. That's why it's draining right here. We're gonna hit it one more time. A lot of owners don't want to use this, but it's not cheap to fill up this nitrogen refill. But be honest with you, and then it's heavy trying to carry it around, lug it around in the attics and crawl spaces. So, but this is my go-to right here. If it's a clog that it can be unclogged, the nitrogen gonna get it done. CO2 cartridges, they're not cheap either, but they're easier to lug around. Make sure that's good first. I'm gonna come back and put my new pan up in here. So they had a problem with the water heater not too long ago. And whoever replaced that water heater, recommend getting the HVAC tech over here to take a look at the AC system. should be good there. All right. So I guess the unit has satisfied out there. But I'm gonna pour me some water down here and make sure it's draining. All right, so see that there? When I'm flushing out with that nitrogen, that's the proof that you do got it unclogged right there also. So you got all that, I have had it to where it was so bad that it splashed dirt and everything all over the people's mirror. So I usually try to remember to put a towel right here, but sometimes I just forget. I also had to where I had it cut right here and I flush it out from the top. And I just put dirt all over the people's stuff. What with hair and stuff in there?
I think we put drain.
Y'all put drain on there?
Something.
Okay.
But I want to say at least, I can remember maybe twice.
Okay, well, we might have lucked out this time. It's draining.
And see, her ass ain't here no more.
Yeah, she probably had her hair and stuff in here and it gets stopped up.
They don't pay bills and shit, so they just do what they want to do.
Yeah. But we flushed it out with nice on. Yeah, we look like we lucked out there. It's draining now. When I first did it, this right here was draining out real slow. And when it go real slow like that, that means it stopped up probably up in here somewhere. But it's draining pretty good now. So
you think we should still put something down in there?
To drain off?
Or something? Like just to give it like another chance to get on through there or something?
Let's see how to do this time. If it goes fast, I don't think you need it.
I'm telling you. They have the problem.
Yeah, you can post some in there if you want to. I would like to take it loose, but I mean I can't do it. A plumber will have to do it and put a snake in there and get it unclogged real good. But if it's draining, especially you're not using it that much, but if it gets stopped up, it's going to cause my AC drain to not be able to drain.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so in other words, we got to make sure this right here stays.
Yeah. So maybe every now and then, cause that's the thing. See, it's draining good now. So see that almost like a little tornado. That means we draining good. So yeah, I think you're good. You don't need to pour anything in there. I was just kind of scared at first. Yeah. Well, no. See, if not anybody gonna be using this that much.
No, cause you see, she gonna.
Yeah, I see.
She can come get the rest of her shit if she wants. I don't know why she won't get everything.
Yeah. No, just come up here. You see what I'm doing right now?
Yeah.
Just do that maybe once or twice a month, so stuff won't be stagnant.
Yeah, but see, the only time when the housekeeper come and clean up, she might use it.
Okay.
But nobody's really here.
Right, but but my AC is going to be using this drain. Okay. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So my AC pipe is draining right here. Okay. So we still wanna flush it a little bit with a lot of water. Okay. You know? Yeah.
Okay, so it needs some kind of...
It needs help to flush it through because the little dirt and stuff that's going through my evaporator coil and through your filter, it's going to need help to every now and then to just help flush it through with a lot of water.
I have to remember to do that because, like I say, nobody is in this room.
Okay. But yeah, I think we're good to go. My AC drain and the plumbing drain were good, so okay, we're good.